Your new Tornado OB 2014 scrubber is part of one of the best scrubber lineups in the industry. This Orbital scrubber is a precision-made product that is designed to give you the cleanest floors. A high-quality product such as the OB 2014 comes with some important responsibilities. In this video, we will show you how to properly set up, operate, and maintain your scrubber so you can use it for years to come. Before trying to operate the machine, make sure the batteries are installed and charged in the unit. Next, plug in the red battery connector, found in the rear of the machine, to the battery charger. The OB 2014 comes standard with an onboard charger as one of its premium features. To charge the batteries, make sure the machine is on a level surface and insert the plug into the main socket. Lights found on the battery charger will indicate when the batteries are fully charged. Be sure to read the operation manual for all details regarding battery usage. When turning on the machine, the display panel will show the different settings. Depending on your battery type, you will see a 4-digit reading followed by a battery charge indicator. 100 is the maximum charge, down to a minimum of 10. If the display alternates between the charge percentage and an H2O reading, then the scrubber is low on water in the black solution tank. The OB 2014 also has an hour meter located on the same digital display. The hour meter reading can be seen by pressing and holding the button by the hourglass icon on the dashboard. After 3 seconds, you will see the working hours followed by the working minutes. In order to install the squeegee assembly, lift the squeegee support slightly off the floor, insert the vacuum hose, slide the 2 stud bolts placed on the upper part of the squeegee inside the slots on the support. Lock the squeegee into place by rotating the squeegee levers clockwise. To achieve maximum recovery and a dry floor, the rear squeegee blade must be bent uniformly across the entire width of the squeegee assembly. Generally, the squeegee assembly will come from the factory properly set to achieve maximum recovery. Always refer to the owner's manual for instructions for properly adjusting the squeegee assembly. Remember, make small adjustments, then test for results. The next step is to install a pad. First, make sure that your scrubber is turned off as a safety precaution. Lift the brush deck by depressing the pedal located on the right side of the rear of the machine. Make sure the deck is locked into place before installing the pad. Place a 20-inch by 14-inch pad under the deck and press up to engage the harpoon hooks. There are many types of pads for different scrubbing applications, so be sure to do the proper research to make sure you are using the right pad. A brochure of different OB 2014 pads can be found at www.tornadovac.com. Now is a good time to walk around the scrubber so that you can make sure the cover on the recovery tank is in place and that all hoses are connected properly. Be sure to also check that the drain hose plug placed in the front of the machine is closed. Walk to the rear of the machine and you will see 3 levers. The right-hand lever controls water flow, from no flow to maximum flow. The center lever raises and lowers your squeegee assembly. The left-hand lever engages the parking brake. Make sure the parking brake is on whenever the machine is charging or being filled. The parking brake can also be used as an emergency brake when you need to make an unexpected stop. This will also cause the brush and drive functions to stop. Now it's time to fill up the machine. Open the screw cap placed in the rear left part of the machine and fill the solution tank with clean water or the floor cleaning product of your choice. Always be sure to measure the appropriate amount of chemical before dispensing into the solution tank. Screw down the cap to close the tank. When you're ready to start scrubbing, activate the brush motor, vacuum motor, solution flow, and set your desired speed. Lower the head of the unit by stepping on the head lifting pedal and lowering into place. You can adjust deck pressure if necessary by adjusting the wing nut behind the right rear wheel. Turning the wing nut clockwise will increase the pressure, while turning it counterclockwise will decrease the pressure. Lower the squeegee into place. Slowly engage the drive levers located on the handles. Remember, you can control speed by how far you move the forward and reverse levers. Stopping the machine is as simple as releasing the levers. Once you are finished operating the machine, be sure to turn off the brush and water flow. Lift the brush deck, but leave the vacuum and squeegee down. Drive the machine several feet, even a full pass, to ensure you have recovered all the water you can. Then raise the squeegee, again leaving the vacuum on for at least 20 seconds to capture any drips. Then take your scrubber to an appropriate place for draining the tanks. Make sure your machine is turned off and that you have engaged the parking brake. Drain your machine by removing the plug and dump into an approved draining area. It is important to clean the recovery tank. Remove the cover, the filter and filter protection, and then rinse the tank. To maximize the use of your pads, remove your pad, rinse it off, and allow it to dry flat. If it has lost its cleaning effectiveness, dispose of the pad. It is recommended to clean and rotate the squeegee on a weekly basis. This helps eliminate streaking and clogs. Remove the squeegee hose from the coupling and either rinse with water or wipe completely with rags. Be sure to inspect the squeegee rubber and eventually flip or replace it. The squeegee assembly is equipped with a quick change feature and can be done easily. To clean the solution tank, unscrew the solution tank cap, remove the solution filter, and rinse the tank. Keep the tank open for several hours to allow it to air dry. Be sure to take the scrubber to an approved draining area when rinsing the solution tank. Correct setup, use, and maintenance of your Tornado OB 2014 cannot be overstated. If you follow these guidelines and read the operations manual, you will have the facility image that you have always wanted. Thanks for watching this instructional video of the OB 2014 automatic scrubber from Tornado.